Which one you prefer today? A tall man or a short guy?
A tall man.
A tall man. So how
That is
tall?
my standard.
Okay. So how tall are you?
Kuan,
Five.
five.
Five. Five. Five
Oh,
flat. Okay.
five flat na lang.
Okay. So what is your height preference for a guy?
For guy, maybe six. Maybe 6
6 foot.
up. Yes.
6 up? 9?
6 up.
6
Yeah,
up,
that's
9?
what.
6 foot. So that's your preferences. Okay. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Which one you prefer today the well? A tall guy or a short guy?
Tall guy.
Oh, a tall. You like tall. Okay. What is your height preferences?
5'4".
You're 5'4".
Oh.
And how about the guy?
5'4", 5'6". Like 5'5". I'm a 5'4". I like 5'8". And
You like
six,
5'8" or 6
5'9".
foot?
And
Okay, that's nice. Which one would you prefer today? Tall man or short man?
tall man.
Tall man, how tall are you?
5'2". 5'2".
5'2". So what is your height preference for a man?
Like
6 foot? Yeah. Not so tall.
or like 2 inch. Like
2 inch higher than you?
higher than me.
Oh, so but
I
five like 5 foot, 5 to 6 foot. Like that.
I didn't know. Kanang 5 up.
Okay, 5 foot up. So you're fine with 6 foot. Which one would you prefer today? A tall man or a short?
I would prefer to date a tall man.
Oh,
Syempre,
how tall?
mas taas na.
Yeah, how tall are you?
I am 5'2", so
Okay.
maybe a 5'4" guy, 5'5".
Okay. How about 6'2", 6'2", or 6 footers?
Isungkod naman ko ana. Ay. Kuan na lang if unsa ihatag ni God.
Whatever God's plan.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, which one would you prefer today? A tall or a short guy?
A tall.
Tall. How
Yes.
tall are you?
I think 4'9" or 4'11".
All right. So
Short.
Okay. So what's your
That's why I love tall guys.
Okay. So what's your height preference for a guy?
5 flat and above like that.
What about 6 foot?
Better.
Better. All right. Thank you so much. Which type of man you prefer today? A tall man or a short man?
Tall man.
Wow. So how tall are you?
Huh?
How tall are you?
I think 5 flat.
So what's your height preference for a man?
No na. 7 inches.
A height! A height! I mean a height!
Uy, nga naman 7 inches.
What is the height you prefer? I know!
Para maglain. Marang nindot na lang yung iwana.
Okay, what's your height preference? Make it fast.
Kana taga dire ko.
Okay, like 5, 9, 6 foot.
7. 7.
Si 7, una ulit.
Oh, sige, 6 na lang.
Okay,
Sige, 6 na lang.
Foot, not inches. You thinking different, girl.
No!
Alright, thank you.
That's all?
Yes,
Thank
thank you. So, which one would you prefer today? A tall guy or a short guy?
Walay ka nang sakto lang. Tall guy because I'm a short girl.
Okay, so how tall are you?
Maybe 4'9" or
9.
or flat 5 ba?
Okay, so what is your age preference? What's your height preferences for a guy?
5'4" or 5'5".
5'5". So you're fine with that.
Nang sakto lang.
Not 6 foot.
Ah, taas akin mura nagkuhit.
How about 5 foot 6?
Depende.
It depends. Alright.
Depende kung unsa jud iyang kaan.
Okay. Thank you so much for chatting with me. Thank you.
Thank
Which one would you prefer today? A tall man or a short guy? A tall man. Okay. High preference.
High preference. He has 6'4", 6'5".
6 foot. 6 foot or like that. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for being candid to the Candid Filipina, guys. Thank you. Bye.